All right. Hey, Jan here today. This video is going to be a little bit different because I talk a lot about techniques, processes, systems, advertising, funnels, email marketing, digital marketing, AI, automation. And it's what I love to do. It's what we've been doing at the agency for a long time. But I was at an event in San Diego here actually this past week, and it surfaced again, this notion that while we're successful men and we've done well and we've been at this game for a while, we're all getting older. And I really in the last year have felt like probably more lonely than before. But not loneliness, just lonely because it's just exciting to work at business. I mean, that's the truth. But along the way, you start seeing your kids growing up. Some of your friends may be passing away, maybe not of old age necessarily, but, life, right? And so I wanted to just kind of walk you through some notes here in these slides. I wanted to just keep myself on point to share a little bit about how to reconnect and rekindle and restart. If that's the case for you, or if you just want to get a little more connected, I put this slide together here, and this is an AI picture generated, but it really spoke volumes to me of somebody who's reached the top, like figuratively, very successful. Entrepreneur, businessman, and somebody who values family, friends, networks, but have lost touch and maybe gone a little bit too much all in on the business side. And I probably should have added a person here with a little more weight, a big belly perhaps, but I needed to portray success. So here we go. And the thing that I want to talk about is this idea of an inner circle, kind of your go-to group. And one way that I pointed this out here, 5 guys, could be 6 guys, could be 3 guys, but guys or men that you have connected with in the past and really meant a lot to you, but you lost touch. Basically, reaching back out, is the key here. And I put, hey, it's been a while. I'd love to reconnect. Whatever fits your style or your angle here. It may be tough for some of you. I know it's been for me as well. I still have some guys that I haven't reached out to, and I know it's on my list. But I have reconnected with a few already, and I tell you, it's a breakthrough moment. It feels good. Basically, I'm going to share some resources here at the end, by the way, that I have personal, not only interest with, but experience with, at least 2 of them. And so to join a curated mastermind or interest group, and not a networking room or a group, but basically for men 40 to 60 with, shared challenges. And that could be entrepreneurships, as I mentioned, business exit, health, fatherhood, legacy. And the key here is I put screening criteria, so quality over quantity here. And you don't want to have just surface level chatter. You want to go deep. You want to feel like, okay, this is beyond just connection. This is a brotherhood. And it's vetted, and it's not a networking room. It's a connection room where you help each other out and you look out for each other. And scheduling this is part of the game, just like you value your business meetings and your client meetings. It's a non-negotiable. So you want to make sure that you're just getting it on your schedule. And adding it to your schedule is part of the challenge because it's easy, but at the same time, it's not easy. As I'm sure you have experienced, that was actually true for me. Just getting it on the calendar. I have a meeting next week scheduled with a guy that I've seen in the marketplace. I know of him. And just booked it. And turns out he's excited to talk to me. So now that is a new contact, so it's not a previous contact. Sometimes it's actually easier to reach out to new people than perhaps some of the OGs in your original network. You might want to play with that and see what works for you. Clearly easier to reconnect once you're in the groove with that old group. I put here, loneliness creeps in when connection isn't planned. That's at the crux of the matter here, is to actually get this scheduled into the calendar, or however you do it, right? So these are the resources that I mentioned at the top of this short video. As a reminder, I know the first two. In fact, Ken and Will are personal friends. You can join metal.men, and get I think it's now a 14-day guest pass, and they have wonderful sessions, and the Saturday session is out of this world. And you'll feel really connected to these guys real quick, because you sense the passion, the honesty, the integrity, the authenticity, of course. And I couldn't advocate for Metal Men more. Absolutely well worth it. Genius Network with Joe Polish. He is an OG in the space, more on the marketing side, the business side. He has I think it's a 25K club and a 100K club now. I went to one of his events years ago. It's outstanding, simply brilliant. And finally, of course, Peter Diamantes with the X Group, X Prize, Abundance 360. Also high elite programs, very advanced in many ways, robotics, AI, futuristic driven. And he, of course, massive knowledge in the space of technology and AI, as I mentioned, but a fantastic group of people. These three, I think, are the first places that you would want to start. So to get you back in the groove, started off on sort of a bit of a negative note here, but to get you back on top in the other level, which is your friend level, this could be you. And it doesn't have to be that much of an endeavor, but I think that the key for me in all of this, and that's why I wanted to make this video as an entrepreneur, getting very excited about what you do. Sure, money is fine, money is good, money is necessary, but if you're losing touch with yourself and losing touch with what's most valuable to you on this earth, then I hope this video reaches you and touches you and helps you a little bit, just to know that you're not alone. And I wanted to make this video because it's personal for me, but also I know that there's probably others out there, and especially thinking back to the meeting in San Diego, there was about 800 people there, and the people that I spoke to, it just seemed like they were, some of the groups were obviously in their own little niche, but a lot of lonely people out there, guys. I would love to see you get reconnected again, and hopefully that'll be part of your next big journey, because ultimately we are here on this planet for a short time, and I don't want you to miss out on the opportunity just because you chase the golden watch, so to speak. So anyway, a little different video today, but hope it resonates, and I look forward to talking to you at some point. Thank you.